In this video, I will show you how to transfer Solana from Phantom to Bybit. So first just go and open up your Phantom wallet and then from the home screen click on send. Now from here select Solana and then here you will need to paste in a wallet address. So now just open up Bybit and then in Bybit click on deposit and here select deposit crypto. Then for the currency just search for Sol and go and search Solana right here, so select Solana. Then for the network pick Solana or Sol and then here you will have your wallet address. Now just go and copy it, go back to Phantom wallet and then click allow paste and then here click on paste from clipboard and click next. Now from here you can then pick how much you want to transfer. For example, I'll do 0.01 and then click next. And then you can see the fee and stuff like that. Now I'm just going to click send and now it will be sent over to my Bybit account. So now if in Bybit I just refresh this, it can take a few minutes, but sometimes it's even there within a few seconds, but I'll just wait for it to show up right now. So for me it took about 2 minutes and now it showed up right here in my account. So that's how you can transfer Solana from Phantom to Bybit. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.